Hello and welcome to my channel. This is part 7 of my Sims 3 custom interaction tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to push an interaction and how to make an interaction autonomous. So first, copy tutorial test interaction 2. And now I'm going to name this new interaction as push interaction. And change the name here and over here as well. And now go back to tutorial test interaction . And write target dot interaction queue dot push as continuation, and inside the brackets new pushed interaction, and this is the name of the interaction. Dot definition comma actor comma true. So this will push the interaction to the target sim, and the target will use this interaction on the actor. Now let's test and see if this works. And so as you can see, our code is working. Now I'm going to show you how to push an EA social interaction. So write interaction instance equals to new situation social dot definition and inside the brackets here write the name of the social interaction. The name can be found inside the social data XML files. The names are usually the same as the interaction names in the pie menu of the English version. So I'm going to select admire here and then comma new string 0 comma null comma false bracket close dot create instance bracket actor comma target comma new interaction priority brackets interaction priority level required NPC behavior. You can select any priority you want. And then comma false comma false. and then on the next line write interaction instance dot interaction definition as social interaction a dot definition, and then check to skip action data dot checks to skip dot skip all. And now on the next line we are going to add this to the sims queue. So write target dot interaction queue dot add next interaction instance, and again the target will use this on the actor. Now let's test and see if it works. So as you can see, our code is working, and now I'm going to show you how to change the autonomy of the interaction by using an iTune file. So Sims will be able to use our interaction autonomously. First, go to gameplay data.package. It's in your Sims 3 installation directory. Make a copy of this to a safe location. Now inside this package file, we'll look for an iTune of a sim to sim interaction. I'm going to pick the ask about degree interaction. So export this file into your mods package file. And now change the name of this file. The name can be anything, but it has to be unique. And after changing the name, click FNV64 hash and then OK. Now right click and edit in Notepad, and here in interaction name write the namespace name, which is pudding face interaction tutorial dot class name, which is demo class. So dot demo class, and then plus the name of the interaction class, which is tutorial test interaction 2, and then plus definition. And then in the object name we see who the target is. So in our case it's a sim to sim interaction, so the object is a sim. And in code version write base game. And in the disallow autonomous, disallow user directed, you can select whether this interaction should be autonomous or not, or whether to allow user directed or not. If you have that true, then the interaction will not appear in the pie menu and it will be autonomous only interaction. And if you disallow player sim, then active sims will not be able to use it, only the inactive sims will be able to use this interaction. The age and species column can determine what age is allowed to use this and what animal or pet of what age can use this. In our case, this interaction can only be used by human sims aged teen or above. And now we come to the output section. This is what will determine how this interaction's autonomy is controlled. So I'm just going to copy and paste this from another iTunes file and then change it to our liking. And here inside this type we will write a commodity kind. If you are confused about what kind of commodities are available, then just type commodity kind dot, and from the list you can see what kind of commodity kinds are available. So you can pick one of these and write it here. So I'm going to write fun. This means the fun motive bar. And in the advertised, I'm going to select 100. The advertised value determines how likely the sim is going to use this. So the higher the number, the more likely the sim will use this when fun motive goes low. I'm going to select 100 here, and then we're going to copy and paste this again, and this time we're going to select social. And in the advertised, we are going to change it to 1000 to make this even more likely for when social need goes low. So now when fun and social goes low, the sim will try to autonomously use this interaction. And now I'm going to copy paste this again, and this time I'm going to pick a trait commodity kind. So I'll pick trait artistic. So sims with artistic trait will try to use this interaction autonomously. Okay, now save. So what we have done here is that if a sim's fun or social need goes down, or if the sim has artistic trait, then the sim will try to autonomously use the interaction. Okay, now let's test and see if this works. Testing for autonomy is a bit difficult since we are dependent on the AI to use this, so it might take more than one try. Okay, so now I'm going to lower the social and fun motive of both these sisters, and let's see if they use this interaction or not. And okay, as we can see, this one sister is using this interaction repeatedly. She's spamming it, and the other sister only tried to use it once on the ghost visitor. So this means that our autonomy is working. And you can also use iTunes files to increase the skills this way. So again, copy paste this and select skill spellcasting. So this is the magic skill. You can use any skill you want, and in the actual write 600. So this is how much experience this skill will get from using this interaction. I'm also going to put 0 in the advertised, but that's not necessary. Okay, and that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.